Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian regime has turned occupied Kashmir into present-day Karbala. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today said that Modi is the Yazid of the time for the people of occupied Kashmir, and India has emerged as modern Yazidi regime by inflicting untold miseries on the innocent Kashmiris. Narendra Modi-led Indian government is targeting the freedom-loving Kashmiris for challenging the India's illegal occupation of their motherland and is not sparing even the dead ones. This is evident from a charge sheet filed by the Delhi-controlled state investigation agency against two members of Jamaat-e-Islami Jammu and Kashmir, Abdul Salam Dagga and Mohammad Shafi Dar, in a fake case registered against them to victimize them for their affiliation with the freedom movement. The SIA filed the charge sheet before a special court in Srinagar against Mohammad Shafi Dar, who died some time back. Posters continue to emerge in occupied Kashmir appealing the people to observe August 5 as Yom-e-Istihsal Kashmir as a black day. The Modi-led government in New Delhi revoked the special status of the internationally recognized disputed territory Jammu and Kashmir on 5 August 2019 and put the territory under brutal military and police siege. Senior leader of the all-party Hurriyat Conference, Agha Sayyid Hassan al-Muswi al-Safwi, paying glowing tributes to the martyrs of Karbala, has said that the sacrifice of Hazrat Imam Hussain is that the truth has always victorious, adding that the people should learn from his example. A woman was killed while several houses and other structures were damaged in the various rain-related incidents. Several residential houses, a government school and a mosque were damaged after a cloudburst in the Ganderbal district. Several villages were cut off due to the drowning of concrete footbridge. Convener of all parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter, Mahmood Ahmad Sagar, has said that India's stubbornness is the biggest obstacle in the way of resolving the Jammu and Kashmir dispute and establishing permanent peace in the region. Mahmood Ahmad Sagar, in a statement issued in Islamabad, expressed serious concern over the grave human rights violations being perpetrated by the Indian troops in the occupied Kashmir. A minor girl was gang raped, bitten multiple times and brutalized by Hindu temple men in the Indian state of Madhya Pradesh. The 12-year-old girl was sexually and physically assaulted by two men working for the trust managing a famous temple in the Satna district of the state.